Vince Salvatore from the Peace Dojo. Hey, today it is the day before Thanksgiving, and we're just putting the final touches on a flower arrangement that my wife Fumi made, and we're headed over to the mayor's office to award her, to serve her with the flower arrangement. One of the first exercises we do in Aikido is called Taino Henko. It's where you're shifting and aligning with someone. At the end of the exercise, you're aligned like this, and it's very much like you're serving someone. So when I go to award the mayor with the flower arrangement, it'll be like this. I move from center, and it's good, positive energy. I'm at City Hall's parking garage, and I'm walking to serve the mayor. Coming out of City Hall, boy, you just feel so good when you do something where you're serving somebody else. I just want to say that.